encourage YouTube to help me with my success. And I'm hoping that, someone in the comments can help me with anything that I do wrong, as I said before, I'm learning. So let's just get into it. I have a few stocks right here that I'm going to add to my watch list. It's just a watch list for just random stocks that I find, and then I'll do some technical analysis, and you guys can give me the suggestions. Now, right now, I'm going to try to make a new watch list here, and I'm just going to call it, let me see here, nope, that's not it. Oh, wait. Let me see, create watch list. I'm going to just create it and just call it, like new stocks, or, I don't know, I'll just call it, random stocks, or just, considering, just call it random stocks. Why not? Just say that right there. I have my active watch list, I have my random stocks, and, I'm looking to be a swing trader, so keep that in mind as you're giving me some technical analysis. I know that, sorry about that. Let me just see. I know that you're supposed to look at the 180-day chart, 4-hour chart, but give me some other indicators maybe that I have to look at with these stocks. So let's look at the first one. The first one that I see is ticker symbol FIT. So let me see how to add something. Oh wait, let me link it to my charts. Okay, I was looking at IBM last night. Ticker symbol FIT 550. Look at this here. That'll be the first one I'll be looking at. Okay, so this is the 184-hour chart. I still haven't added in a few of my studies, so let me do that right now. Edit studies. I already have the EMA, but I'm going to add the SMA, the simple moving average. Is that the daily one or the momentum one? You guys help me out. I'm not really sure which one that is. I'm going to just add the momentum SMA, and hopefully that's the right one. But you guys can let me know down below. I'm going to just leave the default settings, as I'm not sure which one's supposed to be. But okay. Did that even get added? Oh, this is the momentum SMA. Strange. I thought the SMA was going to be on the chart with the EMA, but maybe I'm wrong. Hold on, let me see. Oh no, it's this one. Okay, yeah, let me delete that. Simple moving average. Nice. I'm gonna also add the RSI. I was told that the VWAP was more for day trades, so I'm not going to add that for the stocks that I'm going to be looking at today. When I have more time and I try to get into more day trading, then I'll add it later into these charts. So I'm going to put the RSI in there, and the next one is the MACD. I hear that's very important as well. The MACD. If you guys have any suggestions for the parameters and settings in here, please let me know. Right now I have very little idea what they actually represent, so I would love to hear from y'all. Okay, so we got our studies in. Let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller so that way it's not in the way. I'm not exactly sure how to get rid of that, but it's whatever. Actually, I would like this to be a bit bigger. Just to help me see better. There we go. That's better. Now I'm an RSI on my MACD, so that's great. Okay. Was a simple moving average even incorporated? Let me see. Or is it just sticking really close to the EMA? Oh, hold up. Let me make them different colors. That way I know. What is going on here? Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not really sure what happened. Okay. Okay, so I was going to change the colors. Let me do that right now. Edit, study, draw out, color, make it green. And EMA, it's blue. Nice. Okay. Okay, so that's nice. It's the 180-day chart. Now I'm gonna try to draw the support and resistance, and I'm pretty new at this. So we can see that there's a low here at 423. So let's just draw one line there. And actually, let's just draw a little bit higher, like maybe right here, because that's where the EMA sort of bounces. Right there. And we can see a descending pattern where it makes lower lows here. Okay, so, well actually I don't know about that, but then we have kind of a resistance right here, where it's like kind of trending right there. Actually, let me draw a little bit higher. Whoops. If y'all if y'all know how to get rid of these lines, please tell me. I'm not exactly sure. So there's probably about a resistance right there at what is that, like 6? That's about 636. Okay. And then there's a bit of resistance right here. Try that a little bit higher up. Okay, nice. And it seems to be having a downward pattern right here. And there, so there was I was drawing it too low, I feel like. There was resistance, there was support right here where it bounced up, and it had like a descending pattern here, uptrending pattern here, and it had a huge sell-off right here. Here, where it went all the way down to lows of like 557, so from 725 to 557, so it's a big sell-off. Oh. And so right now, the RSI is sort of telling us to buy. Let me see. So I like to wait for the candles to go above the EMA to confirm that there's an uptrend. But it isn't, so I'm going to set my alerts to make sure that I can get in here at a good time. That's 2 up. But first, let me identify. So there's about a support at around 571 and a resistance at 603, basically $6. And so it always fit. It went up to the resistance, came down, and that's about. Let me see here. Sorry about that, guys. Let me see. I can look at the potential for profit. That's not it. Let me see here. Nope, still not it. How about this? Nope, that wasn't it either. Oh, here it is. What? That's not it either? Well, I'm sure that was it. What? Regression, channel, oval, arrow, time level, no, price level, Fibonacci series, Andrew's pitchfork. What the heck are even all these things? Well, I'm not really sure how to look at the potential for profit. But you guys can let me know. Anyways, but from 5.7 to $6, that's like a 30-cent profit. Not sure how much percentage that is. Don't really feel like calculating right now, but you guys can let me know how to actually get Tdameritrade to do that for me. And And so yeah, I'm gonna put this stock on hold. It doesn't look bad. I would probably have to wait for it to break above the EMA to even consider it. It still looks like it's in a downward pattern. It's broken its support, which is bad. So yeah, we'll have to see where it is. I'm gonna set my alerts for about 5.7. Maybe it's like it's old support. See if it goes above this. Create alert. Okay, fit, price mark. I'm not really sure what that is. You guys can tell me what the price mark, last bid, all that stuff means. I'm not really sure. But yeah, if it's at or above 5.7, to know that, it's going above its old support, signifying an upward trend, and hopefully that's when it'll break above the EMA as well. Okay, so I'm gonna just set my alert right there and see, what happens to it. Hopefully it'll, we'll never know, but we can just put them on the back burner right now. Fit, so that's a nice one. Next is Fate. Oh, excuse me, I'll put that in the watch those. Fate. But yeah, it's something that I'll definitely look into. I think it could be a good buy, good sell. Just maybe 1 week at most swing trade. Okay, so this one looks nice. There's a definite upward momentum, which is what we're always looking for. It's not bad. I'm really trying to think about what to say about this stock. Let me see at the very end where it is. Okay, so it's at the EMA. The EMA is not pointing up, so we don't know. I mean, we usually want to look for the EMA to point up to signify an uptrend and for the candles to pass above it. So I definitely wouldn't buy into this right now, but it's not a bad idea to look into. And there's an overall positive uptrend, which is nice. I guess over here, I would draw the support. Excuse me, hold up. Yeah, I'll draw the support about there, where it bounces, and the resistance is around here. So that's nice. Maybe a little bit above. At about 1830. That's nice. And yeah, it has this consistent upward pattern, which is really good. And so this is something I would definitely look into. There's not much I can say about this. I mean, if you guys have any tricks that I should know, tips or tricks that I should know about, maybe there's something that makes this stock maybe less desirable than I'm thinking. But right now, from knowledge that I already have, it looks pretty nice. I mean, it's an upward pattern. It's probably based on previous patterns, it's probably going to bounce at the resistance right here, and I'll probably just get in when this blue line just starts to tilt upward. Right now it's kind of flatlining, so we're not sure if it's going to have a positive, everything's going to have upward momentum. And yeah, just look for that, look for these candlesticks to pass above it. So I'm going to set my alerts and see what happens. I'll just set my alert at probably 16.8. And mark is at or above 16.81, maybe 16.8. That's pretty good. That's probably where it's going to pass the EMA. So yeah, actually I'm going to drag that down just a bit. Drag it down. Oh. Oh, that's it. There you go. Nice to know. Well, at 1680. So next we have, actually I'm going to put that in my active watch list because I think that's actually a pretty good stock from here that I would possibly like to look into. Okay, so next is Goro, Goro. Let me check the recording real quick. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, Goro. I think it's still recording. That's nice. Goro, Goro. Oh, it's a gold resource corporation. Okay, I didn't know that. I'm just looking at these random, not random, but someone's recommending them, so I'm just looking at them. So let's see here. It's okay. So at the very end here, the support was around 1386, and it had a few fluctuations where it went all the way up here. So I would say the resistance is probably like 414, somewhere around there. And it had this nice positive uptrend all the way up to the very top of maybe like $5. Where this huge sell-off. Huge sell-off. Let me see here. So it was consistently going up. RSI is not very good. It's right in the middle. Usually I try to wait for it to go under 30 to buy. I mean, that's something that most traders know instead of to sell. And the MACD is, yeah, it's not that great either because it's kind of in the middle. It's not near a support or anything. And also, the candles are trading below the EMA. And also, the EMA is pointing downward, which shows signs of downward momentum. So, this is something that, yeah, I'll definitely try to look for maybe... Okay, I'll set it on alert to see if it gets to the resistance. Gets close to resistance and see if it bounces. Yeah, at or above. Create. And then I'll also put one here to see if it breaks the EMA. Because if it breaks the EMA, that would be very nice. Because then, and the EMA is going upward, then it'd be a pretty good buy. But right now, I don't think it's a very good stock. I definitely wouldn't trade it. Fate's been the only one that has really stuck out to me for now. I mean, if it goes on previous patterns and repeats itself here, where, over here, it was having this uptrend, and then over here it was having this uptrend from here to here, and just repeats itself here, yeah, that'd be a great stock, but until I see actual evidence of that, I can't really, I don't want to hope for anything. JNUG is actually an ETF, but let's see its pattern. Okay, so JNUG, not bad. I think it's inverse ETF is JDST, so I'm gonna look at that as well. JDST. So JNUG, okay, it's like a horizontal pattern, so it's got its low here at $6-ish, and it's high around here at $13-ish. Let's just do that whole 180-day chart. It's had this pretty, I want to say consistent, but it's definitely, it's hit this high and low right there. As for okay, so previous patterns had this huge sell-off, and it totally went down, and its resistance kind of was about here. And then its support was about, I would say just about here. Don't know why it's drawing all the way across. I'm going to stop that. Activate drawing. There we go. Sorry, guys. Okay, and its resistance was about there. Cancel extension. That's a good every single time. Come Okay, then it went up, then it came down, made lower lows, and then it was pushing up. So here was a support. That's the right extension. If you guys know how to get rid of that so it doesn't always extend completely to the right, please tell me. Okay, so here it's got support here, and there was a resistance here. And right, okay, so right now it's signifying a downward trend. It's below the EMA. The EMA is pointing down. Actually the RSI is telling us to buy right now, but I don't really think I want to buy right now, especially if it continues to trend down. That wouldn't be a very good thing. I'm gonna just identify the support to be here, which means it broke its support actually, and then so I feel like it's like, oh jeez. Oh, another thing. If you guys know how to do like a slanted line, that'd be nice. I'm not really sure how to do that. Maybe it's like this. It's this one. Nope. Maybe it's like this. Nope, that's not it either. I'm sorry. This whole video is just gonna be me like fumbling over everything. I hope you guys can forgive me for this. Let me see. Regression line. Nope. Rectangle. Nope. Channel. Look at this. Whoops. Oh, there we go. That's it. Wait. What the frick? Oh, that's nice. So let's do the downward trends at the same time, which is, I guess, nice. I didn't know that. Hold on. I just want to make this drop. There we go. Channel, trend line, price, zero, oval, channel regression. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what this is, guys. I'm sorry. A regression channel, a channel, trend line, price level. Nope, it's not price level. Move that drawing. That's cool. Save, create drawing, set default. Yeah, all I don't really know how to do is the trend line. Because the trend line only allows you to draw vertical. Not vertical. Only allows you to draw, I don't know why I keep doing that. Oh, I was looking at this yesterday. Totally forgot about that. Let me see how I can do this to draw the trend line so it goes down. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it seems to, right now it's making lower lows, so not really sure. Actually, that's probably what it's going to do. Hold up. Cancel extension. Ugh. This is taking some getting used to. Remove drawing. Just get it to here. Okay, that's what it is. And right now it's looking like a downward trend. Actually, yeah, I'd say about that where it just keeps going down. I'm not really sure where it's going to end up, but yeah, I just wait for. I'm gonna just set my alerts to. Let me see. Just wait for the confirmation above the EMA, and the EMA is pointing upward. So let's just. I'm gonna set it at 9:18. Set a little bit below, maybe at 9. Set it at 9. Create alert, just create above. If it's at or above 9, nice. And also, if it goes below, say like this previous. Actually, no, because I think it has a lot of potential. Especially if it can readjust itself and create that little cup and handle pattern. Ticker symbol TK. Let's look at ticker symbol TK. Ooh. Okay. So, I'm going to just check the recording real quick. Sorry, guys. So, ticker symbol TK. As you guys can see here, had this huge sell-off from around $7 all the way to $4 in a matter of, I don't know how many days that is, maybe a week, 2 weeks? Not really sure. Okay, but it was consistently, it wasn't really breaking its resistance or anything. And support around here, and a resistance around there, and it was just kind of bouncing between them. And all of a sudden, it just went completely down. And right now, I think it's having. Let me look at the chart right here. But okay, it's not bad. Definitely not bad. It kind of went below the EMA again, but the EMA is pointing upward, which signifies a upward trend. Also, if you guys have any tips like on how else to identify trends, stuff like that, other than the EMA or any good indicators, please let me know. I'm always trying to learn. So I hit a low of 292, and there was a support there, and then it kind of just started to trend up like that. Just continue to trend up. Let me see. So I think it's having this upward trend. If it's bounce, I'm gonna set 2 alerts here. I'm gonna see if it bounces. I would expect it to go up a little bit. So maybe I'm hoping for it to bounce at the support right there. So I'm gonna see here. 421. Let me see. Yeah, the support is like 457. So yeah, we'll look at that. At or above. Sure. Yeah, I can move this. Yeah, so let's just see if it like maybe bounce at 4.2. Yeah, replace that. And then we'll see if. Okay, yeah, let me see. We'll see if it's when it breaks above the EMA again. So let's see. If it continues going up, that'd be very nice. Let's create alert here, 469. Sure, that's fine. That's really all I have to say about it. I mean, we'll see where it goes. Yeah, we'll see where it goes. I don't really have much more to say. Okay, next. Ticker symbol Fizz. FISV. Oh, I think it's here. Wait, oh yeah, red. There we go. I was about to ask you how I'm supposed to link up the watches, but there we go. Okay. It's pretty. I wouldn't say it's a I wouldn't say it's a penny stock. Its low is at $68, which is pretty cool. I mean, I don't really know what to say about that. And also, like, can someone tell me, like, why is it important to look at the past 6 months? Because I know that, you know, they can influence the future of this stock. Not the future. Yeah, never mind. They can influence like the future, but right now, I would, like, as a beginner trader, I would solely just focus on, like, I would not focus from here all the way to here. I would just focus from maybe here to there. Because that's where I feel like here, I feel like it's a transition period where it just went from being, like, down here to up here. It's just going to continue trading up right here. So, y'all, you guys tell me. Maybe give me some examples of stocks where, you know, a previous pattern, maybe 6 months before, influenced the pattern of stock today. That'd be great. So let me look here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it had this huge push up, broke its previous supports at about. This was a previous, not support. Broke its previous resistance. It was sort of just kind of climbing up here. Climbing up. And then it had its resistance back here. Okay. And it had support here. Resistance here. Support at about 83.19, and there was a resistance at about 85. So yeah, it's kind of trending between there. I mean, that'd be pretty nice to just go from the bottom to the top, about $3 profit. And then suddenly it just shot up to $91. I think that's when it was just overbought and started to sell off. Now it's just coming back, and I think now this previous resistance will play as a new support. So that's where that's going to be. I think it's just going to bounce off there and continue going up. That's nice. Let me see if it's broken the EMA or anything like that. Okay, so I feel like right now it's in a time of sell-off. It's going down. Not sure. Yeah, I feel like it's coming down, and also the EMA is pointing down. So I wouldn't really invest in this stock either. I would just wait for the confirmation. Right now, yeah, well, it's pretty close to 30, but I feel like there's a possibility that it won't bounce and it'll just go straight through the support. Excuse me. So I'm not going to rush anything. I'm just going to set my alerts. If it goes a bit too close up. Okay, here's good. So if it bounces here, about, I'll say 86, 80. And also, yeah, if you have any tips on where to set these alerts, right now I'm just picking like a random spot above the EMA where I think it might go through. But if there's like some like special way that you guys do it that you think could help me out, please let me know. So I'm just gonna look at here. If it's at or above, yeah, that's great. And also I'm gonna also send an alert for if. Oh, actually, it might have already broken. What? Sorry about that. That's not SV again. No, I think it was JDST. Ooh, I didn't even look at JDST. Hold on. I think there was one that I was going to put on my active watch list, but then I didn't. Let me see which one that was. Not that one. That one could still use some work. JDST. That one doesn't look bad. SISV. That one. Actually, never mind. Maybe not. Goro? Not sure. Whatever. I'm going to just do the next one. TGT. Okay, nice. Had a descending pattern up until this low of $60.15. Now it's slowly climbing up, showing signs of an upward pattern. That's nice. I'm looking here. It says the support and resistance. This actually looks like a pretty nice stock. It's above the EMA. The EMA is pointing upward. It has an upward momentum. It's pretty nice. I don't really see like a very definite support. The support just seems to be rising up and it's making higher highs. This is definitely a nice stock that I would probably like to invest in. Everything's checking out. Yeah, guys, look at this stock, TGT, right now. Right now it's 416, market's closed. But, I'm going to actually move this one into my active watch list. It is not bad. I don't have much to say about it because I can't really draw any support or resistances, and it's already meeting all my requirements, so tell me if there's anything wrong with this that, maybe I should look into. Let me look at the next one. Ticker symbol BOOT. Ooh. Okay, another upward pattern. Seemed to have it bounced. It bounced here at about $27. $27. Upward momentum bounced at $27. Sort of bounced again here at about $30. Let me just look at this part. It's above the EMA. The EMA is pointing up. Nice stock. Not bad. This is another one I would probably put on active watch list. Okay, I think that's going to be enough for today. Oh wait, hold up. Sorry. Let me go back to TGT real quick. Yeah, since these are the ones that I'm thinking of trading right now, I'm just gonna talk about my entry and exit and where, my stop loss. So, let me see. So there's a bounce here. There's a sort of a bounce here. So this is what I'm going to use as my stop loss. And I'm hoping that it continues to trend upward. But it's also very probable, because the SMA is sort of acting as its support right now. It's just bouncing off the SMA. So if that continues to be true, that should be more than enough of a stop loss at about $80-ish, where it lasts. Actually, no. I'll put my stop loss at about I'll put my stop loss here. Actually, fine. Well, 81.97. Maybe at the previous kind of resistance, little hump right there. Okay, let's do that. Put it there. It's pretty close stop loss. Pretty close stop loss, but I think if it continues to, well, actually, maybe a bit too close, actually. Yeah, if you guys can help me out with how to like draw these stop losses, where it's the best place, that'd be great. I'll just put it at 80.63. Why not? Just put it at 80.63. I'll put my stop loss at 80.63. I'd probably buy it if I bought in right now. I'm not sure because there's no clear resistance. So I don't really know where I would sell. Right now it looks like it's doing another one of these humps here, where it's going to go a little bit higher. Like you see here, how there's a little bit of these red candlesticks, and then it pushes up. Red candlesticks pushes up. Red candlesticks pushes up. So I think, yeah, this would be a nice time to buy. Usually it pushes up because I don't have I don't know how to do the percentage for profit. It pushes up about that much. So using some really just, this is not the way you're supposed to trade. But yeah, I don't know. You have to help me out to find a place to sell. I'm not really sure where I would sell this stuff. I'd probably just sell it just to be on the safe side, and because I know it does not push up that much each time, and just based on previous patterns, like how it shot up here, there's a little bit there. I'd probably just eyeballing it, maybe at 83 here. So just entry where it is right now, 80. What is that? 81.91. So about $2, and just get out at $83. That's probably where I go, but I'm not entirely sure because I'm not sure where it's going to end up at, because it seems like it's going to keep on going up. So I'm not exactly sure. For Fate, oh yeah, Fate still has to wait for the confirmation above the EMA. So I'm not sure. But for Boot also has this very nice upward pattern where there's no clear resistance. Yeah, but based on previous patterns, I'd actually wait for it to see if it would bounce at this 30 and then probably sell at this high 32. I don't know. You guys help me out. There's probably lots of stuff I did wrong, but tell me some stuff that I did right as well. Okay. Yeah, just as always, please leave any advice you have. I'd really love to know how to do the freaking percent profit, percent for loss thing that I've seen a lot of times on YouTube videos. I don't really know how to do that, but yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.